Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add and create filters in Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step and watch carefully so that you will be able to do it as well. So before starting, make sure that you are logged into your Zoho Mail. And once you're here, you will go to your settings beside the folders. And then you will go ahead and look for filters and just click it and then click new filter. And now what you will have to do is enter your filter name or enter a filter name, and then you will just have to choose conditions. You can either you can either choose conditions such as sender, subject, or keywords or whatsoever. And then after that, you will select actions like move to folder, or you can also choose action like mark as read, and you could just basically choose from this list. And then you will just have to click save so that you will be able to activate the filter. And then finally you will just have to actually just you know test by sending a sample email that meets the filter criteria to ensure that it works perfectly fine. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.